good, and now let's look how Marts and Dana will show us choreography with count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good, let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good, and now let's look at the same choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start from close hold and then dance in promenade step, figure which is called promenade close, then we continue with side step and drag. Then we start with appel and dance syncopated separation. Noticed syncopated timing here. And lady goes around into outside position, from which we continue with Fallaway reverse. And then lady's heel turn into open telemark. Very good. Now let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. So again we take close hold and we will start in promenade position with promenade close. Then we take side step into drag. We close and we dance appel into syncopated separation. Noticed again syncopated actions here. And then lady goes around man into outside position, from which we dance Fallaway reverse and open telemark with lady's heel turn, and we finish in promenade position. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.